Okay, so to start we need to chain 4. One, 2, 3, 4. After that, we're going to form a ring. And then we're going to chain 1 and work 6 single crochets in the ring. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you have your 6 single crochets, you're going to work in spiral, and we're going to make 2 single crochets in every stitch for a total of 12 single crochets. So this is the first one. You have the first one already, and then the second one. So we're going to work 5 more. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so once you have your 12 single crochets in total, you can use a stitch marker. So next round we're gonna make another increase, and in the next round, in the next stitch, we're going to work 2 single crochets. Okay, so make sure that you have your stitch marker with you. And then after that, 1 in the next, 2 in the next, 1 in the next. Just keep repeating that. Once you started this round with 2 single crochets, you should have ended with 1 single crochet in the last stitch of this round. Okay, so moving on to the next round, we're going to make another increase. So we're gonna work 2 single crochets here, and then 1 in the next, 1 in the third. So this is the repeat pattern. So we're gonna work 2 again, and then in the next 2 individual single crochets, we're gonna work 2 in each. Okay. So in the next 2 single crochets, one in the next, and 1 in the next. We're gonna work 3 more rounds, but in this round we're only going to work 1 single crochet every stitch, so there will be no more increases. Okay, this will be the top of our key holder. So we're just going to work 1 single crochet in every stitch for 3 rounds. Make sure that you put your stitch marker at the end so that you know where to end each round. Okay, so 1 single crochet in every stitch. Okay, so once we reach round 4, we're going to make a slip stitch in the front loop. So here's the back loop and this is the front loop, and we're going to just work on the front loops. So we're going to make a slip stitch and then chain 1, and then we're gonna work 1 single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, and then another half double crochet, and finally single crochet, all in 1 stitch. And then in the next we're just going to work a slip stitch. Make sure that you're only working on the front loop. So here is the front loop and this is the back loop. So let's repeat. So in the next front loop we're going to work a single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, half double crochet, and finally a single crochet and slip stitch. Make sure that you're only working on the front loop. There you go. So we're going to do this around. Okay, so let's do the last one together. So after slip stitching, you're going to work in the front loop 1 single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, and single crochet, and we're going to slip stitch in here. Okay, so we're finished with our cupcake, which is pink. Now it's time for us to fasten off. Okay, so to make the second part of the cupcake, which is I'm gonna show you because I forgot the name. So this area here we're going to make, and we're gonna work on the back loop of the previous round. That's the reason why we only worked in the front loops, because we're gonna use that in order to make the cupcake holder or whatever you call it. So by that we're going to insert our hook in there, and we're going to make a slip stitch and chain 3. So we're going to work 1 double crochet in every stitch around, working in the back loops. So this is what we're gonna do. Each back loop we're going to work 1 double crochet. Make sure you don't miss a stitch. Okay, so after that you're going to work a slip stitch on top of the third chain, and then this time we're gonna work with front post double crochet and back post double crochet. So first we're gonna chain 3, and then we're gonna do a front post double crochet, and then back post double crochet in the next, and then front post double crochet. Okay, so once you reach the chain 3, you're going to slip stitch onto the top of the third chain. As you can see, this is what we're doing. We're just going to follow the pattern of the previous round. So we started out with chain 3, and because the next stitch is a back post double crochet, we're going to just do back post in every back post. I'm so sorry, this is front post. So the next is back post double crochet, so we're going to work back post. So that's what we're going to do for the next 3 more rounds. And so now we're done with the whole part of the cupcake. This is what it looks like. So you can see this is the bottom part and the top part of the cupcake. Now for the inside of the cupcake, you can use a plastic ring here, and you're gonna work 1 single crochet until you cover the whole plastic ring, and then do not fasten off yet. You can chain up until you get to the desired length of the tie here, and then you make a pom-pom, and then you're simply just going to tie it here and then hide it so that it will look invisible. So I decided to just use this one, and I'm not gonna work single crochet around it. I'm just going to work a chain first and then wrap around this ring. I'm gonna show you later. I chained 20, and then I'll be inserting the ring probably here, and I'm going to go back and work a single crochet. Okay, so make sure the ring is right here if you're following my design. So on the second chain from hook, we're going to work a slip stitch. So we're going to just work a slip stitch until we reach the last chain. Okay, so once you have reached the last chain, work a slip stitch in the last one and then fasten off. Now we're gonna work on the pom-poms. Okay, if you have your pom-pom maker, you can use a small one if you want, and also make sure that you're going to pass through the tie through the hole before you put the pom-pom, so that it will just stay in place and you won't regret that you have done the pom-pom and you forgot to insert it through the hole. Okay, so make sure it passes through. That's the reason why I did only slip stitch, so that it can pass through the hole easily. It can go through the hole easily without too much effort. Okay, so yeah, it's time to make the pom-pom. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And okay, you can just put the key here, and there you go. So that's how you make the cupcake key holder. Once again, thank you so much everyone for watching my video tutorial on how to make the cupcake key holder. So if you're new to my channel, I crochet different items from purses to shawls and bikini tops. And if you like this video, please give it a like, comment down below, and hopefully you will subscribe. And see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.